Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to look at some of the buildings under construction in the New Kingston area. These are the commercial buildings we're going to look at. So straight ahead, that massive building is One Belmont, and I think there are so many buildings that I've lost track. I think that's 9 floors. It's definitely not taller than 10 floors, but it's a massive building. Okay, so we're going to take a look at it to see how far they've reached. And they have the ascent further down on Oxford Road. We're on Oxford Road now, which is going to be 27 floors. But we did a video, an update video last week, and they've cleared half of the property, or they've basically cleared the property, but they haven't started actual construction yet. But we'll keep you guys updated because we make these videos every 2 weeks, so you know, to keep you up to date with what's going on with these buildings. And there are so many. So this is just a quick overview to give you an update on all of the construction going on in New Kingston, the New Kingston area. And this is the commercial buildings, not the residential. We'll do that one in a different video because there are just too many residential buildings as well to do them in the same video. Alright, so this is Oxford Road. On the left is where the US Embassy used to be, this structure, but they moved up to Ligoni. On the right is the Magnum Motors, and somebody had mentioned that they're going to be doing some construction here. I don't know if it's this one or it's the Hyundai. Oh, it is Hyundai. Somebody had asked for an update on it, but I'm not sure what's going on over there. Okay, so this is the One Belmont building. And then, as we said, the ascent is further down the road. And then you have another building that's 6 stories going up on Haining Road, which is also commercial. And then you have another one on Holborn Road, which is 8 stories. Okay, the One Belmont is 9 floors, sorry. And then you have the Musson. Well, that's not Half-a-Tree. That's Half-a-Tree, not New Kingston. But that one is 10 stories. You have the one on Haining Road, which is 6 stories. The one on Holborn Road, which is 8. And then you have the Ascent, which is 27. So those are the commercial buildings in New Kingston that are under construction. So we're going to take a look at them today. Okay, I guess this is what the person was asking about. They are building, the ATL group is building a new facility over there, but they haven't started yet. So this is what it's going to look like. So we'll keep you guys updated on this when they start. That's what it's going to look like. Okay, straight ahead now, where you see that green building on the right, that's where the Ascent is going to be. And the Ascent will be the tallest building in Jamaica when finished. On the left is the NCB Towers. That one is, not sure, probably 10 stories. It's an old building though. Been around for a very long time. It used to be the Mutual Security building. I think a Mutual Security bank built those buildings, and then NCB took them over years ago. Okay, so this is One Belmont. And we have videos up giving you more detail on all of these buildings. This is just a general overview of all the buildings under construction. But we have individual videos that will give you the number of floors, the timeline, all of those things. So you can check them out on the channel. And guys, remember we have two channels. We have Driving in Jamaica and Jamaica in 5. So we have videos up on both channels, and they're different videos. They're not the same videos. You know, YouTube doesn't allow duplication. So we have different videos on each channel, so you can check it out. I'll give you guys a story of how we ended up with two channels another day. But we have two. Okay, so we're going on to Holborn Road now. Sorry, not Holborn, Haining Road. After Haining Road, we go over to Holborn Road. Okay, so this is the 6-story building now on Holborn Road. This one doesn't have a name yet, so we'll just refer to it as the Holborn Road building. This is it. So we're going to show you a picture of what the building will look like when it's finished. See, they don't have a name for them, they just have commercial units for sale. So we're going to zoom in. The address is 13 Haining Road. Very nice structure. I'm so impressed with how they build these massive buildings on such a small plot of land. This is how far they've reached. I mean, we all know how construction works in Jamaica. So when they tell you the building is going to be finished in 2023. All 2024, they're still working on it. So the deadline, though, we can give you their estimated finish date, but we all know that they're not going to finish on that day, by that time. But they will finish. That's the important thing. All right, so over here now is 1 Belmont again. We're going to look at it from this angle. And I just want to show you guys this building, this picture, because somebody had asked about it. And this is the printwear building. Now, I don't know if they're going to build it here on this plot of land, but it's a very nice building. Somebody had asked for an update on it, but the only thing we've seen so far is the picture. There is no construction going on that property. So we'll keep you guys updated, or if anybody knows what's the plan with that building, you can let us know. Okay, so this is 1 Belmont again. And this is why I say this is a massive building. It's only 9 floors when compared to like the Ascent at 27. And there are a lot of buildings that are going up that are 20 and 10, but this is a huge building. Alright, so we'll keep you guys updated. Remember, every 2 weeks. Alright, so we're just going to drive by where the Ascent is going to be now. And then we'll do the other videos, the other buildings in another video, because this one is getting long. So we are on Belmont now we're on Haining Road now, and we're heading back towards Oxford Road, and we're going to look at where the Ascent is going to be. But as we said at the beginning of the video, we haven't really broken ground yet in terms of seeing any construction above the zinc level yet, basically. But we'll keep, you can check out the videos that we have up. We did a video last week and we'll do another one next week, just showing you exactly what's going on, so you can check it out. It's the ascent. You can check both channels. We have videos up on both of them. Okay, so where you see that green building, that's Mayberry, and where you see the other building with the roof that's black, that's Kia. So between the Kia building and the Mayberry building, this building here on the left, you can see the crane over there. This is where they're going to build the ascent, and this side of the building is actually used as a parking lot, and the cars are still parked there. So basically between the green building and the black one is where the ascent will be, where entire stretch of land where you see the zinc fence. Alright, so check out the channel this weekend when we put up another video to give you an update, the 2-week update as to what's going on with the ascent. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.